I just found a DeWalt drill on the side of the road. So Scott Brown here. Hopefully I find whoever owns this. Yeah, see it's split at the top. There you go, mate.
Still goes though, eh?
Still goes, photo.
Alright, bro.
Hopefully someone comes and picks it up. What cereal have you got?
I don't know, bro. Matches their wall over there, though. Look. Look, bro.
Beans right in. What cereal? Alright, so this morning, today, now, the outside is pretty much complete, and the rest of the work, which is quite a lot of work, is inside. Plasterboard, flooring, skirtings, architraves, doors, ceilings, electrical, insulation. One of the first jobs that we're going to do today is this ceiling here, a coffered ceiling it's called. We're going to put plywood around the perimeter, and that kind of forms the scotia. I'll put some little shots here of the scotia in the other room. That's currently what's there at the moment. So our way of matching that is by putting some treated plywood there first, and we make it treated because all the framing's treated and keep the council happy. And then for the paint finish, we're going to put an MDF skin over it, and we'll do that later once we've put the plasterboard on. But the plywood will support the beams for now and give us a backing for the MDF that we eventually put on. Also got a whole bunch of materials to order for this next stage. We've got the electrician turning up as well. It's all happening inside. There he is. What's up, Jorgen?
Oh, what's up, Scott?
You're supported now, eh?
Alright.
It is day 2, and a lot of stuff's happening today, but I thought, why not start it off with a little ute, a little bit of inspiration, a ute fit out tour. You must be Richard.
Why, hi there.
Oh, very nice.
This is probably like a few mil
Clearance?
too tight for the Makita.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. How? Where's? Oh, yeah.
Sorry, too far down, damn it.
Oh, yeah, so those are little ball bearing,
Yeah.
giant ball bearings essentially.
Yeah, they're called transfer bearings or transfer.
And they, what, you just
from a bearing shop?
Oh, true.
Yeah.
The bearing shop. Brilliant.
That's good.
So we did pretty good there, you know, for a ute. You got your drop saw, table saw, all your other tools, vacuum, all underneath the platform. I suppose you got your levels and things like that that'll have to go on the roof. What do you guys reckon? Van or ute? So yesterday we got the plywood up to this point, and we're going to do it up to this point on the other side as well. But we got to a point here on the wall that we knew was coming, but we were kind of avoiding, which is packing every single stud. It's an old wall, and it's not like we're rebuilding the whole house, so we kind of had to keep the wall line that was there. So being an old timber house, things sink, things move, things twist, and the wall is slightly out of plumb now. So we don't want to make the window out of plumb because the window relies on gravity, you know, the one panel slides up in front of the other panel. Anytime you start moving it like that, there's a chance that the window sashes could rub. So we make the window plumb, and now we're packing the walls to make the walls plumb. Who are you listening to that? Courtesy of the electrician here. What a gentleman. What an absolute gentleman.
Beat yourselves up, boys. Fucking just leave you one.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
They got letters on them.
Just a steak.
It's like
I'm really
today?
grateful for it.
I just did a count up and we are just under the threshold. There's 9 people on site. Because of COVID, it's a maximum of 10 at the moment. So just under. One of the things we did right at the very start of the job was take the shingles off the balcony handrail. And I put them all in here, knowing that we'd probably need them. There we go. All saved. And with the next lot of materials arriving, we'll need to make some room in here as well. How's it going, Saeed?
Yeah.
You battling the weather?
Yep.
Look at that. I'm recording.
Oh, really?
Good to see some paint on it. How's that double glazing going there, Todd? How's that double glazing going?
You good?
Yeah? Putting the doors in now, eh?
Yep.
You're a man of many talents. Doors, windows,
You name it.
you name it,
We'll
mate.
sort it out. Yeah, so the original jam, and then we'll just put in some nice new stuff.
Trying to see if there's like a bit of a pattern here, you know? You got wide, wide, skinny, 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 wide. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We'll probably have these
1, 2, 3. I don't think there's any pattern. I think it's randomized. Make it random, I think, is the key. So I think the key is to not have the joins close to anything. See that? They're all kind of staggered. As long as I do that, I should be good. I think our delivery is here.
I might have to stop.
Get a bit red in the face.
Oh, fuck.
Insulation, something I get asked about a lot on this channel. You'll notice a lot of the houses that we pull apart here in New Zealand don't have any insulation, sometimes in the floors, ceilings, and often in the walls. The floor is insulated and so is the ceiling, but the walls, no insulation at all. Now that happened for quite a few reasons. When people came over to New Zealand years and years ago, they just put sarking up horizontally. So basically you had your studs going up, no nogs, and then they just put sarking boards up the whole wall. So that sort of formed the lateral strength of the building, and also it gave it a layer for the plasterboard to be fixed to. So this house being over 100 years old, it's very unlikely that they would have had that kind of insulation back then anyway. In order to retrofit insulation, you've got all that sarking to remove. So it's not until you do big renovations like what we're doing here that you get that opportunity to insulate the walls. So a lot of people don't bother with it, but we're able to do it here. So over the next few episodes, we'll be chucking in the wall insulation, and as we do the flooring, we'll be putting flooring insulation. So this place is going to get a lot warmer over the next few episodes, and the weather's getting a lot warmer here in New Zealand as we get into spring and then summer. So yeah, things are looking up weather-wise, and the job as well. We're just finishing up now, so it's very exciting. So stay tuned for the next few episodes, and thanks for watching this one. Oh, by the way, they gave us floor insulation instead of wall insulation, so we have to get that swapped. But no big deal, no big deal. I saw a school bus outside, so I knew you were here. Oh, what do we have here?
Pin.
Oh. Continuous use router here. Thank you, camera. That's not yours, is it?
No, bro. No,
You don't even want to touch it, eh? Oh, yep. Man, I didn't know they had the green lead like that.
That's the high impact lead.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you like close the door on it, it should be alright.